Hello guys, welcome back to our channel, and in this video I'll be showing you how to view all tasks in Clickup. So the first thing that you need to do is to open Clickup or log in your existing Clickup account. After opening the Clickup account, from home, kindly click the spaces and under it click everything or show everything. And by clicking everything, you can see the list, board, and calendar. And by list, you can see or view all the tasks, including the tasks that are still in process, and the different kind of project. So that's it. If you wanted to know how to view all tasks in ClickUp, that is the easiest way I know. I hope you find this video helpful, and if you do, kindly give us a like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much and see you on our next video.